Some technology providers try to bury you under a deluge of jargon. Not us. Here at CloudSource, we're with you every step of the way. Training provided by CloudSource. Proud to be different.
LG LDP9000 range. Changing your internal and external ringtones. Press the Settings Transfer key. Press 1 for internal ringtone or 2 for external ringtone. Your existing default ringtone will be number 1. The display will show 1 to 15 ringtones. Simply press the numbers 2 to 15 to hear the other tones. Once you reach the tone you prefer, press the orange Hold and Save key. Trusted telecoms and IT solutions from CloudSource. For more tutorials on the LDP9000 range, click here or call us today.